Hello, welcome to Real GPL once again. Guys, today I'm going to talk about a theme. The theme name is Nika. Okay, let me search for it. You see, Nika is a medical Elementor WooCommerce theme. Okay, if you want, let me show you some demos of it. So it's on the Invato Market, and if I see the live preview, you can see how it is. So if you're looking for a good medical store or medical based Elementor theme or medical based e-commerce theme, you should definitely prefer it. Okay, so it has few demos. Let me open the first one. And I see, as per the demo design, I see it seems very nice to me. Okay, so let it open first. So we are selling this theme on Real GPL. If you want, you can buy it. Okay, and use this option in case if you need the updates for a lifetime, not for just 1 year. Okay, you see, yeah. So design is very good. It's an e-commerce theme based on medical things like medicine, equipments and all. Yep. Similar theme we have on website called Woodmart, even LSC, which you can purchase like this one. Woodmart and LSC or X store. Okay, so there are multiple themes we have. So first of all, I need to download it, which I did already. Okay, and then I have to install it. Let me show you. So I'm going to the default WordPress, our test website, going to appearance, click on add theme, upload, choose file, and you see this is our file and I have already unzipped it. Seems no? So let me unzip it first. Extract files. Okay. So Nika is unzipped. Okay. I'm going inside Nika, going inside themes. I will install the parent theme first. Click on install. After installing parent theme, I will install the child theme and I will activate the child theme. Okay, so going to themes again, add theme, same process. This time select the child theme, open, install. Child theme is important. Okay, if you have, you should use it. So activate it. Now I'm going to click on begin installing plugins and it will install all the required plugins. You can see WooCommerce, then Elementor and other plugins are there. So click on apply. While it is getting installed, I would like to let you know that we do offer membership plans which you can purchase. Like in case of VIP membership, you can download 20 items per day, and that too for 1 year. And you can use the coupon code flat35, which is coming on website also or on your screen also, to save a decent amount on this. Okay, so membership, you can explore it. We have a lot of membership plans. Now coming here, the plugins are almost installed. Yeah, done. I'm going to install plugin again, and this time I will select activate from the bulk action and click on apply to activate each and every plugin required for this theme. This is done. Good. Now just go to theme setup. Okay, or go to dashboard and then go to theme setup. Yeah, I know this will come. That's why it's better to go to dashboard first, because Elementor and then WooCommerce default pages might come after installation. Now I'm going to appearance theme setup. Click on start. Ignore this warning. This is coming because this is our test site and on this debug is enabled. Click on next. Then it is asking for which demo you want. I'm going for, let's say, anyone, like demo style 3. Okay, and I can check it online also. Now I can click on import. So the import process has started. You can see it. It's 0% now. Okay, the content is being imported. While it is getting imported, one important thing that I'd like to know that we do offer original licenses like Elementor Pro, Rank Math, WP Rocket, Imagify. You can find all the list here and on this page also. I have given the link of this in the description. Okay, so Astra, all plugins, WP all import, all export, WP funnels, DV, schema, many Elementor add-ons like essential add-ons, um, happy add-ons, templately, unlimited add-ons, ultimate add-ons, even Amelia booking for the booking, Presto Player Pro. So we do have approximately 200 plus licenses which you can explore, and in case if you need it, you can buy it with lifetime access, or few are there with just 1 to 5 year validity, which are here, which comes under exclusive deals. Okay, so please explore it, and in case of any query on site, you can always chat with us, you can WhatsApp us. Okay, you can just email us, or you can create support ticket from your account. Now let's come here and see how it is going. Okay, it's 11%, so we have to wait until it finishes. It might take 3 to 4 minutes depending on server speed and how your internet connection is. So let's wait for it. Okay, so almost done. You see it's 99%, and this error that is coming here is about WP reset plugin which we have installed. Okay, so don't focus on this. Okay, so demo is installed. I'm going to click on visit your website to see the demo in action. Yep, it's fine, everything coming properly. Okay, so if you need such themes, you can purchase it. Okay, and it has not only installed demo 3, I mean home 3, multiple demos are already installed, I think so. Yep. Okay, so I will see you in the next one. Till then, enjoy your day and keep shopping from Real GPL. Thank you very much.